morning everyone. Today I'll be explaining you about the concept of basic concepts of multiplication, addition and subtraction. So I'll teach you today. The first concept is the multiplication. See, if there is a multiplication symbol, how the sign changes. Okay, I'll give you an example. Just check here. The first equation is plus into plus. Plus into plus will always be plus. Here plus into minus will always be minus, minus into plus will always be minus, minus into minus is plus. I'll just prove this by using examples. Okay, I'll just give an example. Check. Plus 4 into plus 6. What is plus 4 into plus 6? Plus 4 into plus 6 is nothing but 6 4s are 24. Plus into plus. Plus into plus is nothing but plus. Okay. Minus 3 into, plus 3 into minus 2. 3 2s are is 6. Plus into minus is nothing but minus. So it will be minus 6. Okay. Next, minus 8 into plus 4. Minus 8 into plus 4. 8 4s are 32. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Next, last one is minus 3 into minus 9. I will give it as an example. 3 9s are is 27. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. See, this works out only in case of multiplication symbol if there is present between two numbers. See, the multiplication symbol is there between two numbers. What if there is no multiplication symbol? If there is no multiplication symbol, what does the answer comes? See, minus 4 plus 6, plus 4 plus 6, plus 4 plus 6. This is nothing but 4 plus 6, right? 4 plus 6 is what? 10. We got the answer as 10. Second one, plus 3 minus 2, plus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1, right? There is no multiplication symbol here. If there is multiplication symbol here, the answer comes this. If there is no multiplication symbol, the answer comes this. The people gets confused in classes of 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and even in the 10th. Even the 10th students guys also don't know how to solve these kind of problems. Check. Minus 8 into plus 4 is that we got it answer as minus 32. Okay. Minus 8 plus 4. See, if you give like this, the students multiply like this. 8 4s are 32. Minus into plus minus. They keep it as minus 32 as answer. But there is no multiplication symbol here, right? Illi multiplication symbol illa. Avag ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 8 plus minus 8 plus 4 is nothing but minus 4 is the answer. The minus 4 will be the answer. Okay, last one, minus 3 minus 9. What is minus 3 and minus 9? See, there is no multiplication symbol here, right? What people will do? 9 3s are 27. Minus into minus plus. They keep it as plus 27 as answer. But there is no multiplication symbol here. Illi multiplication symbol illa. At that time what they will do? At that time what to do? What is the proper answer? The answer will be minus 12. How to get these answers? How to get these answers? These answers are got by integers. Through integers. I'll tell you how to solve it through integers. Okay? I'll solve these two problems. I'll give it as an example. Just check it out. See, in integers we should put a line like this. At the center there will be 0. Here plus 1. Here plus 2. Here plus 3. Plus 4. Up to infinity. Infinity means endless. Infinity means endless. Or countless. See, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay? See, in integers there are two rules. There are two rules. If there is a positive sign here, in case of positive sign, we have to move forward from up. You have to move forward from up. In case of negative sign, you have to move backward from down. These two rules we need to follow in integers. Forward means which side? From left to right. We have to move this side forward. That is from up. Backward means what? To the left side. That is from down. We have to move from the down. These two rules should be followed in integers. Okay, I'll just prove it through examples. So which is the first problem? Minus 8 plus 4, right? Minus 8. There is a negative sign here. In case of negative sign, we have to move backward from down. It starts from 0. We have to move backward. That is from down. Down means 0 to minus 8. Directly we can move 0 to minus 8. This is moved backward, right? This is moved backward from the down. Okay. Next is what? Plus 4. Plus sign is there, right? In case of plus, positive sign, we have to move forward from the up. Forward means to the right from the up. How many houses? 4 houses we have to shift. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer we got? Minus 4. Minus 4 we got the answer. Understood? Okay. We'll just check out the second problem. Second one. Okay. Minus 4 here. Okay. Second one is minus 3 minus 9. See? Minus 3 minus 9. It continues. Minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. Okay. Just check out. Minus 3 minus 9. Which symbol is there here? Minus, right? Negative sign. Negative sign, we have to move backward from the down. 0 to minus 3. This is going backward, right? From the down. Again it is minus 9. Again we have to move backward. Again we have to go backward. How many houses? 9 houses. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer? Minus 12. We got the answer as minus 12. Understood? For more updates, subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Kids Matrix. Please like, share and support.